Hey everybody, so I got a new drone to share with you today. This one is from WeFone. This is the WF30. Now I did try to take this to the beach earlier, but the beach that's nearby is always way too windy for stuff like this. We'll go ahead and get our wings expanded here. And while I'm getting this set up, I'll show you everything that comes inside of it. All right, so this is everything that comes with it. We got our case, we do have a controller, we do have 2 batteries, one of them's inside right now. We got our drone, then we do have some extra propeller blades and screws if you damage it. Now if you fly like me, you're probably gonna get scratches. It happens. It'd probably be better if I get in the sun here a little bit. Here is the drone fully expanded. On the back side is where you're going to put your TF card or micro SD. So you will be able to film directly on the SD card, and you'll get footage directly on your phone as well. Now it does have a camera, but it doesn't have a gimbal like you would get like on a DJI. As I showed with the unboxing, you do get 2 different batteries, and you can charge these batteries with a micro USB. Now these batteries will get up to 20 minutes each, or up to 40 minutes with both of them. Let's go ahead and power it on, and we'll power on the controller as well. When it comes to the controller unit, it does not fit a large phone very easily. I do have a 15 Pro Max connected. The map will show you that you are legal, which is pretty cool, so it automatically will give you that information. We do need to connect to the drone via Wi-Fi. All right, so we are connected. We got GPS mode and everything. I also have the phone recording. So right now, we're just going to see a blade of grass in front of it. Let's go ahead and get it off the ground. Alright, so we got it on the ground. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Let's go up. It does move around a little bit with the wind. Now we do have a follow me mode. So now it's going to go up. Oh. All right, we're going to go ahead and bring it a little bit lower so we can actually see it some. Right now it's set on follow me. So as I move around with the controller, it's going to follow. All right, so if we turn on the follow, now it's going to follow as I walk around, and it's going to, oh, there we go. So yeah, it's changing the angle. It's kind of following me. Let's go ahead and walk over here. It should turn with me. So we do have the follow me. That works pretty well. Now, I recommend doing just small turns and small things while you test it out. So I'm coming back the next day to show a little bit more of the app since I forgot to do that. We're going to go ahead and connect to the WeFone GPS. That's what you need to connect to for the Wi-Fi. I also do have a screen recording going where I'll be able to show that to you. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go into the app. You'll be able to see that it does show GPS mode. We are in green, so we do have all the GPS satellites connected. It will show the battery status of the drone. And we can also see our signal. We can go into the settings, and you do have safety settings for beginners. So you can turn that on, and it's going to automatically set it up for a beginner to make it easier to use. You can also do your max distance, max altitude, and everything right here to fine-tune that. You can also look at sensor statuses. You will have to calibrate it. And then you can also go into your flight records, and you can see that. Here you can also manually start your recording. And you can also switch between pictures, and you can take pictures. Also, there is a map here, and it's also going to let you know that you are legal where you currently are. You can also open up that map and you can move around on the app. Right now, we do have a live feed for the camera. I do show you a little bit of footage as well for flying it. May not be the best quality, but it does have a very, very high zoom rate. And then, of course, you could also go into the album and you can get the stuff that you recorded with photos and videos. So that's going to be my quick demo for the WeFone drone. Definitely don't want to take it into really windy conditions, but if you want a fun drone that's pretty budget friendly, that you can play in your backyard at a park or something like that, it's not going to be DJI quality, but it's a heck of a lot cheaper. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.